Only negotiate if you feel that you can get something out of the deal. Otherwise, walk away. One way to get out of this is to use what's known as the takeaway close. The takeaway close is a sales technique that suggests that they buy something else. For example, you can say, "Now, I understand you're not ready to pay this commission rate, but this is the rate I need to charge to do the job properly. It sounds like you might want to see if there's another agent who will work with your numbers." Through this technique, you're letting them know that if they pay less, they'll get an agent of lesser talents. It often makes them rethink the values of cutting the commission. There are many ways to combat a commission objection. If your seller continues to insist that you lower your commission after you've addressed every objection, feel free to walk away. Let the seller know that you can't provide the necessary level of professional service if you cut your commission. Stay dignified and walk out as friends.